Page 19. Theme from whatever that is up there. I ain't going to try and say that mess up there. I don't speak the language. I hardly speak English. But this is a very well-known melody. It's a piece from an orchestra piece. We played this piece in orchestra here a few times. It's gorgeous. It really is. The second violin part is a challenge, though, for the second violin. However, let's see what we're getting into. I look it over. It's 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. 1 flat in the key signature. We're still studying the key of D minor. So do the scales for F major and D minor. Yeah. And the arpeggio. Go ahead and do the arpeggio at least 1 octave up and down. 6/8 time, we're coming in on a pickup beat. So the first 5 beats got to be somewhere else. If you look at the last measure, it's got 5 counts in it. We're okay. Take it 1 hand at a time. Make sure we know what the hands are doing. The right hand here. So 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember the dotted quarter notes get 3 counts each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that's 5 counts there. And then 5th finger. That's okay. It's a repeated note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Okay. At the end of the second line, you're here, and during the rest, you just come up. You're basically going to play it again, except now you got 2 notes. And then they want 1, 5. That doesn't work very well, does it? I don't want to go from here to here. I'm going to prepare that. Well, to do that, I really need to be playing those last notes with 2 and 4. So I'm going to. There, I can do that. They're all repeated notes. So this is the 3rd line down, 2nd measure. It's 1, 3 to start, and then 2, 4. Now I'm ready to go on. And then 1, 4 at the end. The thumb's going to cover both of these. That's the melody. I want to connect it. And then 5. If you have big hands, then you're stuck with doing that. So you're going to use 5 both on them. 5 on both. I don't know how big your hands are, but if you can, do the 1, 4 for the last line. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then 1, 4. And then 5. 1, 4. And now you can do 1, 5. And then 1, 4. Got a lot of that 1, 4 going on, huh? The left hand, just 8th notes. When they come in, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4. They say 4th finger, okay. Then 2. Yeah, that's fine. You can do that. You can also do 3, 2, whichever. I usually do that, but whatever. And then 2nd line, you come down. Use thumb on that A, 2nd line, 2nd measure. Whatever fingering you use here, you thumb here. And then you can reach down. Again, the 3rd measure. I do a 1, 3. This way I'm in position. And you do it again. Last line, you're here. We're using 3rd or 2nd finger on the B flat rather than thumb because I'm trying to keep the hand out here. It's out of convenience and comfort. I mean, real little hands, you can do that. No big deal. But for us with bigger hands, we do it that way. Again, I don't know the size of your hands. And then we're coming up. So now I put the hands together, and I might hesitate, I don't care, it's here. And then here. Here. 2, 6. You can see how the notes line up when you're playing the hands at the same time. So I put the hands together, and then I go back through it a few whatever times and work out the hesitations. So this 8th note is all even. The pulse is even all the way through at some speed. Doesn't matter how fast you go yet. And then I'll think about the articulation, and this is very connected. Lift up, lift up, lift lift up like taking a breath is all. So you can put in the phrasing. The left hand, you connect it and lift up for the wrists is all. Otherwise, connect. What they tell you underneath the staff legato, that means connect it. I'm telling you to connect it anyway. This is a very smooth piece. Then the dynamics. P at the beginning is piano. That stands for soft. That's the melody. This has to be very soft, very light. So you're kind of light here, very light here. Then the speed. Well, again, in 6/8 time, we have to be careful because it could be referring to the speed of the beat or the feel, which means the natural accents. Which do you want? This particular piece, it is definitely the natural accent because this moves. 2, 3, bump, 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 bump. That's why it's a challenge for the second violins because they're playing like 16th notes. It's a blah, 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 blah. They're going nuts. But here it's a. At the end of the second line, you have an MP, mezzo pianos, sort of soft. For this, it's just a little louder than you were at the beginning. Not much, just a little bit. The left hand is still quite soft. The whole thing is on the soft side here. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. There isn't much given anyway, but I'm going to play both hands about the same so you can hear them. We're going to go really, really super slow. I'll give us 5 counts because it's in 6/8 time. I am going to lift up for the phrasing in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1. 6. 4, 5, 6. 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, off.